Neurons are specialized cells that are fundamental to the functioning of the nervous system, which includes the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. They are the basic building blocks of the nervous system and play a crucial role in transmitting and processing information. Each neuron consists of three main parts: the cell body, soma, dendrites, and an axon. The cell body contains the nucleus and other cellular components necessary for the neuron's functioning. Dendrites are branch-like structures that receive signals from other neurons and transmit them toward the cell body. The axon is a long, slender projection that carries signals away from the cell body and transmits them to other neurons or target cells. Neurons communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. When a neuron receives a signal from another neuron, an electrochemical impulse, known as an action potential, is generated. This electrical signal travels along the axon and triggers the release of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers, from the neuron's terminal branches. These neurotransmitters then cross the synapse, a small gap between the neuron and its target cell, and bind to receptors on the target cell, transmitting the signal. Neurotransmitters are chemical substances that play a crucial role in the transmission of signals between neurons in the nervous system. They are responsible for transmitting, modulating, and regulating information and electrical impulses across the synapse, the small gap between two neurons or between a neuron and a target cell. When an action potential reaches the end of an axon, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters from small sac-like structures called synaptic vesicles. These neurotransmitters are then released into the synapse and bind to specific receptors on the membrane of the target neuron or target cell. This binding process triggers a response in the target cell, either exciting or inhibiting its activity, depending on the neurotransmitter and the receptors involved. Numerous types of neurotransmitters in the nervous system, each with its own specific functions and effects. Some of the well-known neurotransmitters include acetylcholine, involved in muscle movement, memory, and attention. Dopamine, plays a role in reward, motivation, and motor control. Serotonin, regulates mood, appetite, and sleep. Gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, acts as an inhibitory neurotransmitter, reducing neuronal activity. Glutamate, acts as an excitatory neurotransmitter, promoting neuronal activity. Norepinephrine, contributes to arousal, alertness, and stress response.